practice doing some nuts and bolts. What we're going to do is we're going to make our fingers stronger. We're going to take the bolt, we're going to take it on the end, and we're going to just turn it, spin it down, using our fingers.
Why?
To make our fingers stronger so that when we get to kindergarten, our fingers are ready to start writing and hold the pencil the right way. Let me try. Okay. Good job. You're getting your fingers working. Now you can turn it the other direction to take it off. We're just making our fingers lots stronger. Now let's try a small one because we can use any size. Let's try the smaller one and see how that feels. Uh-oh. That one's not gonna work. So let's try maybe this one. There you go. Good job. You got it.
What's for dinner tonight, Mom?
We're just gonna keep doing this for a while. It's not time for dinner yet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good job. Now, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take some scratch paper here, and I'm just gonna use a roll of tape here, and we're just gonna take, and I'm gonna trace around the outside of the tape. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a scissors, and I want you to try it the best you can. Try to follow that black line and cut around it. So you're going to take, and do this way. Because you want your fingers in the big part, yep.
Okay.
And you're going to you're going to cut around the outside of the circle and follow the line as best you can. Good job. Good job. Okay, now we're going to try to do a straight line. I'm just going to use the Kleenex box and draw a line, and I want you to try to cut as best you can on the line. Good job. Nice, you did it, good.